ladies. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is my outfit of the day. Starting with my hair, I have on the Jolette Wig by Cicero. It's a half wig. I have on this kind of top by Jessica London. It has its own camisole. It's attached. And I have on some navy stretch leggings by Romans. And Jessica London is in cahoots with Women Within and Romans. If you have one credit card, you can charge stuff from all three stores, online stores. Okay. Oh, let me get my pose on. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.